ahead to our next submission, which will be presented by Mr. Manoj K.S. He is presently associated with Zeus Industrial Metrology as a business development head for IQS portfolio. With an experience of more than 20 years in delivering dimensional measurement solution to the industry, he holds an expertise in surface and optical metrology solutions. Today, Mr. Manoj will elaborate on measuring products and technologies in defense manufacturing. So, delegates, let's welcome Mr. Manoj K.S.
A few synergies about what they both spoke is that whether you're a global company manufacturing in India or an Indian company looking out for opportunities, what is important is the manufacturing competitiveness. So it doesn't matter whether you will not, I think Ramesh put it very nicely that just because a car is made in India, I'm not going to buy it or I'm going to reject something coming from abroad. Thank you so much for the clarity. Now, moving on, let me present in the next 5 to 7 or 10 minutes what is Zeiss and what we do in India and how we relate to defense manufacturing. Some insights about the company. Our company is about 175 years old as on date, and we have always created value and we have been enablers to our customers. Just as a point, we have supported many Nobel laureates or surgical procedures. We are into various fields of activity. But today what is important is, of course, I just want to share that there was a tuberculosis crisis in the 19th century and Zeiss had an opportunity. We captured on the opportunity and one of our founders invented the microscope, which was used by Robert Koch to help eradicate this disease. Also, if you're holding a mobile phone in your hand or any semiconductor device, if you're holding in your hand, then 80% of the world's semiconductor chips are made with Zeiss technology. So that's something, a proud thing what we carry. Among the 4 divisions, verticals of Zeiss, I am related to the industrial quality and research, which is the second one. What is over here, the lady looking through the microscope. Zeiss is always known for CMMs in India, primarily, ever since we started. But we also have a huge product line which is into different areas. So I'll be covering more about them. We are known for what is shown here, the contact CMM devices. We also have optical measuring systems, computer tomography, and softwares, then research microscopy solutions, which are of major use today in the industry. We started our operations for the last 20 years as a direct entity, but we are in India, present in India through Empire Machine Tools, which some of you may recall from 1975 onwards. Today, we are much more than a manufacturing, we are much more than a sales setup here. And we have about 100 years of industrial metrology experience. And we provide machines, solutions, software, and some new technologies like X-ray. As you know, we are a measurement company and we can measure anything from a nanometer to meters. And all of these things, right from measuring the material structure to the a car body or a spacecraft structure, we can measure them at the cutting edge level. So we are present in all these industries. We are present with the same level of the highest level of precision, what is possible in those fields at this moment. What are the trends in the Indian defense industry? We just collected a few things. If you look at what are the mega trends which are of importance to us today, the news, what we are reading in the last few years, maybe 18 months, I can say, is there is an influx of FDI in the defense sector. And there is a lot of push from the government side for promoting MSMEs in defense, more companies. Otherwise, maybe you have 8 to 10 or 15 companies which are garnering the space. But the government is pushing more MSMEs into it. There is also something called additive manufacturing push, which is happening in the MROs and in many defense units, which we are seeing. And the private sector in defense is being pushed into again. And growing security concerns is one major reason. So this is the ecosystem in the Indian defense space. And what is important for Zeiss, what are we going to do in this space, is I want to tell you what is the ecosystem we have. Apart from the measuring solutions, what we have, which we all know, I want to tell you that we have the know-how in measurements, how to measure, what to measure, when to measure, what speed, what is the accuracy required, we have that know-how. Vocal for local, as I mentioned, thank you for clarifying. I want to mention that we manufacture in India for India, as Mr. Utkarsh clearly put it, that the same product may not be suitable. So we make it in India, but make it according to the world German specifications, but made in India, suiting Indian conditions. We have quality excellence centers. We have training. So this is the area ecosystem what I want to explain in the next few minutes. We are a global partner. We have more than 50,000 CMMs and so much of expertise which we have in our back. We have 62 measuring centers around the globe, 5 of which are located in India. We have the know-how from our interaction with all the top defense makers, whether it is Lockheed Martin or Airbus or Safran. So they are also present in India with their some collaborations, and we are working. So next is we are not just a sales company. We are present in a large way in our HQ in Bangalore with various verticals. Some of the most precise missions. These missions work in the range of around about a micron and all, 1.5 micron accuracy. So these missions are made today in Bangalore in our factory. And also, as the previous panelists put it, we are exporting to the whole world. We are exporting to Southeast Asia, or about 15 countries we export from India. So this is exactly what we are doing. We are bringing the German technology, localizing it, and then again pushing it out to the world. Next is we have our quality excellence centers, which are located in Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Delhi, Coimbatore. So what is it for you? For the members, the companies who want to get into measurements, they want to utilize the measurements. You can walk into any of these centers. I can pass on the addresses. You can see a variety of missions. What I'm going to discuss are available there at a pay-per-use basis. So you can come in, select the mission, or we will help you select, and you can use them on a pay-per-use basis till the time your project comes out of it. So that is one. Second is skill development. This is one major thing. If you have to export, if you have to make world-class products in India, what is important is you must know the GD&T, you must know the drawing, you must have operators and the people in the last mile to be very much knowledgeable. So we have skill development trainings available in all these QECs. So I request here the team members over here, if you have people who want to get trained, please come to us. We are willing to provide training on aspects related to measurements, related to our software. Next is the measuring solutions. Let me quickly go through. So I'll start with microscopy, which is our oldest business. We have optical inspection, failure and surface analysis, and also into technical cleanliness. So we can measure from a few nanometers, look at the microstructure, look at the material composition, and tell you whether it is good or whether the product is good or right, good or bad. We also can measure non-contact surface finish. And another thing which is gaining more importance is technical cleanliness. We have an array of products in this area which are suitable for the industry. Just one example is how it is used is Zeiss Axio Imager is a microscope which can go through the surface coating inspections, and you can tell you whether the surface coating is good enough after a certain usage of the airfoil, whether the surface coating has gone away or is it really okay, the process is good or fine. And we can also document them. CMMs, we can provide you with dimensional measuring solutions up to the tune of 0.3 micron and around that. So high precise machines can be provided to you with automation and robotic solutions at your place. And again, these automations are done in-house to make it more competitive. I will skip this. As regards the optical measuring solutions, what we have, this is a new field what Zeiss is into. We can measure most of the parts in a non-contact method, because you may make a few parts and you do not want to touch them. Those are the basic requirements which come up in a defense related industry. So we could measure all the parts in CMMs in a non-contact way, whether it is a compressor blade or a turbine blade. We could use non-contact solutions to measure them completely. And if you have larger blades, we have larger blades which you have to measure it in the shop floor. We have again non-contact solutions called ScanBox, which can measure the complete blade and digitize them in 10 to 15 minutes. if you manufacture blisks and large parts again, and you have a requirement for measuring the dimensions and form, again we have solutions which can be useful for you in short time. Another major technique what I want to showcase is the X-ray technology. This is gaining a lot of ground. Maybe in 10 years from now, I could tell you that X-rays will replace CMMs to 60 to 70% of the capacity. So this is a growing field, and Zeiss is into it completely. 2D X-ray, 3D X-ray, and 3D X-ray microscopy. So 2D X-ray is what you would have seen, what you get your hand or chest X-ray, that is 2D X-ray. So that is available. A lot of solutions are available from us. We'll see where it is used. 3D X-ray is creating a complete voxel volumetric image of the product. You put in your mobile phone or you put in your part. Let's say you have a 100 millimeter cube part made for defense with 23 components inside. You can X-ray them in the computer tomography. You can get a complete 3D CAD model out of it. And in the X-ray microscopy, you can go into the material structure and see what's going on. So this is our X-ray portfolio. I'll give you some examples. For example, here it's a helicopter rotor blade is measured. Either is measured on a 2D X-ray, and this machine can be customized with rotary movements to measure different parts of it. So 2D X-ray is a sectioning of a certain area. This is an example of checking the welding spots in some housings. This is an example of measuring the complete turbine blades, and these are all machines which are customized. So you give, the requirements in the defense industry could be anything. Please come to us, and we could give you a customized X-ray device with 2 X-rays or 3 X-rays or more, and make it for you. Another important factor is to understand what are the problems you have and make the software around that so that there is no manual intervention. So we could understand, have a AI-related software. The software can automatically decide whether the part is good or scrap, and you can decide whether it is a defect or it is passable. 3D X-ray of internal defects of these airfoils can be measured with our 3D X-ray devices. You could also understand the internal cooling structures. So when you make the part the first time, or when you do a PPAP, when you do a continuous production, this is really useful to do a 3D X-ray. And whatever I'm explaining now is available in our competence centers, what I explained. In Bangalore, in Chennai, in Pune, we have these 3D X-ray machines available on a pay-per-use basis. So when you do a part, please come to us, we can help you out. Ceramic core measurement is available. In 2 minutes, you could qualify a ceramic core to make sure whether it is good or bad. Then, of course, we have something called a SurfMax, where you can do a surface defect inspection possible. Going ahead, there are some standard solutions which you might have seen everywhere: optical roughness and automatic robot-based measurement solutions in the shop floor that is available. So it can be inline in the shop floor for your fuselage housings. You could measure them completely inline or at line or offline. So that is these solutions with robotic thing is available. So this is the ecosystem what we talk about. Now the last thing is the additive manufacturing push, what we are into. So this is a case study that how the old aircrafts are still in use. So this is a case study from US, 3D printing of certain complicated parts, which you cannot again manufacture, or the supplier is dead, the part drawings are not available. These kind of issues can stop the aircraft from flying, but you can always do a 3D printing and keep it running. You can look at, there is a lot of government push on additive manufacturing. So here is a case study example that this is a fuel cooled oil coolers. This is a very complicated profile, and these heat exchangers you cannot just make it from any supplier. And in this case, we have as a part of America Makes program, additive manufacturing topic was taken up. This heat exchanger was made using additive manufacturing, and we help them measure them completely. So AM, there is a complete line right from the powder. We can right from the powder, from the print, then measuring the outer structure, measuring the inner structure. We have solutions for all of this. As an example, you can see the heat exchanger was made, prepared, and printed out. We remove one, and then we have different machines like 3D scanners, CT, the X-ray machines, X-ray microscopy machines, and electronic SEM machines. You can look at the external dimensions. You can look at the internal dimensions. You can look at the internal cooling channels in millimeter range. You can look at the porosity and cracks. You can look at the powder content, and finally you can look at the structure. So all these are made possible in different machines, but we have what we call as a multimodal data analysis technique, by which data from 3D scanner in the submicron range, from CT and XRM in the nanometer range, and electron microscope in the still nanometric range are combined together to give you a complete overview whether the part is good. And we could probably come with the 3D printing maker, combine the measuring solution and the manufacturing solutions, and give you a complete solution to productionize. So this is what we are attempting. And we could measure surface finish, which is a very critical parameter on the 3D printed structures. As we explained, so X-ray CT works at a different level, micro CT works at a different level, FIB SEM, they are all working at different scales. And we have the technology to combine all of them to see that the part is good and fit for use in an aircraft. There are different case studies available in nuclear energy and also in power generation and aerospace, which we are willing to present to you. And these are our founding members. 175 years back, they founded ZEISS. And just to reiterate, we have the know-how in measurements. Please come to us. We are available at 5 cities with measuring centers. We can teach you, Skilling India, we can teach you, we can teach your people. We have the additive manufacturing solutions available with us. And we are vocal for local. That is, we manufacture in India, and we are a big partner to all the companies which are interested in defense manufacturing.